everyone, and welcome back to Smara. I'm Sonali, and today we are diving into the essentials of mindfulness. If you've ever wondered what mindfulness is and how it can help improve your well being, this video is for you. What is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of bringing your full attention to the present moment without judgment. It's being fully aware of what you're doing, thinking, and feeling right now, instead of letting your mind wander to the past or future. Mindfulness helps us slow down and focus on the now, something we often forget in our busy lives. It's not just about sitting quietly or meditating, it's about learning to be fully present in everything we do, from eating to walking to even having a conversation. Why practice mindfulness? Now you might ask, why is mindfulness important? Studies have shown that practicing mindfulness regularly can reduce stress, increase focus, improve both our mental and physical health. It's a powerful tool that helps us manage emotions, build resilience, and live more intentionally. By training ourselves to stay present, we also become more aware of our thoughts and feelings without being overwhelmed by them. This helps us respond to life's challenges with more calm and clarity. How can mindfulness benefit you? Regular mindful practice can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve concentration and focus, boost emotional well-being, and the best part, you can practice mindfulness anytime, anywhere. It's as simple as being fully present in whatever you're doing, whether it's eating, walking, or even washing dishes. What's next? You might be wondering how to actually begin practicing mindfulness. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In our next video, we'll guide you through a simple, calming meditation that's perfect for beginners. It'll help you take that first step toward mindful awareness, so make sure you stay tuned. At Smaran, we believe mindfulness is for everyone and it can transform your life in ways you may not expect. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself in this process. The benefits are incredible and it's a journey worth taking. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest mindfulness practice and insights. I'm Sonali, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue our journey towards mindfulness together.